Hello, today we will guide you through how to use ICT Concepts LuxAlgo. To get started, open your browser and go to the LuxAlgo website. This is the main platform where you can explore tools, indicators, and trading resources. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the home page so the navigation options are easy to find. Next, look toward the top right area of the page and click on Library. The library is where LuxAlgo organizes its available tools and scripts, so this is the section you'll use to find the specific concept you need. If you don't see it right away, give the page a quick scan across the top menu. After opening the library, find the search area and type in ICT Concepts. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the search results are as accurate as possible. This helps narrow down the available items and makes the correct result easier to spot, especially if the library contains multiple tools with similar names. Once the results appear, look for the item called ICT Concepts. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right listing before moving on. This is a useful habit whenever you're browsing a library or marketplace, since choosing the correct item from the start can save time and prevent confusion later. When you found it, click on ICT Concepts to open its page. This should bring you to a more detailed view, where you can access the option needed to continue. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the buttons and information are fully visible. From there, click on Get Access. This step gives you access to the tool so you can begin using it within the platform. Depending on your setup, you may need to wait briefly while the request processes. Just make sure the page updates before moving to the next action. Finally, click on Use on Chart. This will apply ICT Concepts to your chart so you can begin working with it directly in the charting environment. Once it opens, you can start reviewing the visual elements and settings available for the tool. And that's it. You've successfully located ICT Concepts in the LuxAlgo library, accessed it, and added it to your chart. If you plan to use it regularly, it can be helpful to remember the library path so you can return to it quickly in the future.